In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Power Ups. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, tasks, and workflows, and Power Ups can take your boards to the next level. These handy add-ons let you integrate powerful features like calendars, file attachments, custom fields, and much more to make your Trello experience smoother and more effective. Whether you're working solo or managing a team, Power Ups can tailor Trello to fit your unique needs. So, let's dive in and explore exactly how to get started with them. First, open the Trello board that you want to enhance. This is the space where you'll be adding Power Ups to improve productivity and functionality. Once your board is open, look for the Power Ups option. You can usually find this either at the top of the board or in the sidebar menu, depending on your layout. Click on the Power Ups option to open up the Power Ups directory. This is where all the available add-ons are listed, and you'll be able to browse through a variety of tools designed to enhance your Trello experience. You have two ways to explore the directory. You can browse by category to see the most popular or recommended options, or you can use the search bar to look for a specific Power Up by name. Once you find an option that catches your interest, take a moment to read its description. You'll also see screenshots and additional notes that explain how the Power Up works. This is a great way to understand its features and decide if it suits your needs. Before adding a Power Up, it's important to check whether it requires authorization or is only available with specific Trello plans. Some Power Ups may require a paid Trello subscription, while others are free to use. Make sure it's compatible with your account so you can activate it without issues. When you're ready to add a Power Up, simply click the Add or Enable button. This will activate the Power Up for your board. If the Power Up needs to connect to another service like Google Drive or Slack, you may be prompted to grant permission. Follow the instructions on screen to complete the integration process. Once the Power Up is added, you can open it directly from the top of your board or inside a specific card, depending on what the feature offers. For instance, if you've enabled a calendar Power Up, you can access it from the toolbar at the top of your board to view all your due dates in a calendar format. Now it's time to use the Power Up features to optimize your board. For example, you can attach important files from Google Drive, add custom fields to cards to capture specific information, or use a time tracking Power Up to monitor how long tasks take. Each Power Up is designed to add value to your workflow, so explore its features to make the most of it. Finally, if you ever decide that a Power Up is no longer useful, you can disable it. Simply return to the Power Ups directory, select the Power Up you want to remove, and follow the steps to deactivate it. This ensures your board stays clean and focused on what's truly important. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe,